in Instagram, sometimes we see ads like from Tylo Pets. It's an interesting ad, quite catchy, but we just do not feel like it is time to take action. You may be busy something, you just want to scroll and relax, or somebody call you to do something else, and then once you scroll, the ads is gone, right? And once the ad is gone, but you've seen the ads, you click on it, so you want to know and look back what kind of ads that you have clicked, right? And you can do that. You can retrieve this in Instagram. So all you have to do is just go to your profile, okay? Feel free to follow me in Instagram. I have not been updating for a while now, but I'll start updating soon. Okay, anyway, there's at the top right, there's just three lines, which is the, some people call it burger icon, sandwich icon, whichever, three lines icon. Just click on it, and then you just go to settings. When you go to settings, there's a few options here. You just click on ads. And when you click on ads, you just click add activity. So you see the ads that you're currently interacted with and learn more about the brands behind them. So you can see what company they are from and things like that, or okay, you can report and things like that. So for example, like this is a few story ads that I've clicked recently. There's a lot about digital marketing because this is the field that I'm in. And then of course, when you look into the ads that I clicked in previously, also Tylo Pets again, interesting ads. And this is how you find back all the ads that you clicked, but you have no time to actually take action. And if you want to take action, or you just want to have an idea of what kind of ads that you clicked previously, or you just want to see the ads that you like that interest you previously, you can just come here again to check. And this is how you can check your ads that you have viewed in Instagram. And if you like this channel, if you like what I've shared so far, kindly please subscribe to my channel and maybe share this information to people that like it, that may need it. Like, and feel free to comment if there's anything you want to add on, or any encouragement you want to give to me is well appreciated. So please subscribe, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.